2015 Fiat 500X. Got a fan noise. The fan's going out. It's very wobbly. Makes a lot of noise. Real quick to remove it, takes a 10mm bolt right there. Pop that off, then this just pops off. Set that aside. Got 10mm here. Pull those. There's one there, one there. Pull those off. You'll reach down here. There's a plug. You got to pop on the end of this. There's the catch. So just put a screwdriver down there and press that little tab, and it'll pop out. Once you get that out, you will feed this heat shield off of there. Thread that through. And then I used a crescent wrench, unloosen that. Set that aside. Now here are the tabs, and these things just snap straight down into it. So you can get something and pry that up back, and then pop that up. Same over here. After you undo these wires, just pull that plastic piece backwards, and then that tab will come out of there. And there's one down here for the fan itself. Take a screwdriver, pry these two off of this tab here to release that from the fan shroud. And there's this tab as well. Sometimes if you snap the back side of that where the plastic holds in there, it'll come out easier. So then after you get all that out, I just used a big screwdriver right there to press on that tab. And we'll pull it out this way and up, and it'll come right up out of here.